Hey, here's another do-it-yourself video, and this one is of a chain that needs tightening. As you can see, it's very loose. Alright, so to do this job we'll need a couple basic tools. There are two nuts. There's an outside nut on this one and an inside nut under this bracket. So we'll start with a regular fracture wrench. Then you can either go to adjustable wrench, or if you have a deep socket set or one of these ratcheting wrenches, these are awesome. I love these. And then also just a Phillips screwdriver for this lock right here. Alright, so first we'll get the outside nut off and on both sides, and loosen the inside nuts, and then loosen this. This helps hold the rear axle in place, and then we'll push the rear axle out until our chain is nice and tight, and then we'll tighten everything back up. Alright, let's start with, alright, we're going to start with the outside nut. First one, back side. And now we're going to do the inside nut on both sides. We're going to loosen it, but not have it too loose, because you want to still be able to kind of hold it in position a little bit and just push it out. Alright, there we go, got the inside nuts. Now we're going to loosen this locking arm. Just loosen it, and alright, so now we're going to push the tire out. And as you can see, the chain is a nice tautness to it now, and I'm gonna go ahead and try and have the wheel center, because that's one of the things now that when you're messing with this is whether the wheel is aligned centered. You don't want to like wobbling back and forth as it's riding down. So now that it's a good distance out, I'm gonna push this chain out. And so that's good. I'm going to lock down this locking guide. Alright. And so nice. Now I'm going to look at the top. And just make sure it looks straight. And hand tighten nuts on each side. The brake looks like it's okay, so on that. I'm going to go ahead and tighten down the inside nut on both sides. Looks like this wheel shifted a little bit. I'm going to adjust this the opposite side. And it might be as you tighten down on the far side that you might deal with the tire scooching over out of its center. So as you're looking down, you want it to be in between the bars centered well, and obviously not too close where the brakes are, where the brakes are. The most important thing is, you know, the center of the wheel in between the two arms of the rear of the bike and centered. So if you tighten down this and it scooches back as you're tightening it, then you'll just need to loosen it again and try again. Alright, so now I got alright, so now I got them tightened down. These are nice and snug. Alright. Yeah. And his bike has pedal brake. Alright, so now that those are snug, I'm gonna go ahead and put the outside nuts on, and then we're done. Just gonna keep these on there for later, in case we need to put the training wheels on there for passing the bikes on. Alright, get my socket wrench back out and tighten down one side, tighten down the second side, and there we go. Chain is nice and tight, and wheel pretty centered. So job well done. And if you find this helpful, just subscribe and please thumbs up. I'm just a regular guy fixing things, and so if you like to see that type of stuff, where I fix all sorts of things, please subscribe to my channel. Have a good one.